I will show you how you can very easily tie a balloon at home. Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the easiest trick how you can tie a balloon at home. You don't need any balloon tying tool, you don't need anything, all you need is balloon and your hands. Now let's see how we can do it. For this we will be needing a balloon and a balloon pump. So first we have to inflate the balloon. We'll put the balloon on our balloon pump and inflate our balloon. After we have inflated the balloon to our desired size, this is the balloon, this is the nozzle, some call it the mouthpiece, some call it the tail section, whatever, but this is the nozzle. You have to hold it here at this point with these two fingers. We'll be using these two fingers. Stretch this nozzle and put these two fingers here. And with our thumb, we'll press the balloon here. So we only have used two fingers and our thumb. And we will hold the balloon for this part where we have the balloon, not for the upper part here. Not for here, for here. We will hold the balloon, hold the nozzle with our other hand, stretch the nozzle and turn it over. We'll move our thumb from its place and we will take this nozzle and place it between our two fingers. As you can see, I have placed it here between my two fingers. And now we will just take this part that we have here, this part, we will just pull it over the nozzle. We'll pull this part over the nozzle here and bring it for this side, like this. And we have our knot made in the balloon. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this trick. If you did like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see how you can reuse the balloon after using it, then I have a video on it. Click on that. After watching that video, you'll be able to know how even you can very easily reuse any balloon at home. For more awesome tricks and very beautiful decoration, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button below so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my latest tips and decorations.